Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add guests in Notion. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to add guests in Notion. The first thing to do is to log into your Notion workspace, which I have done right here. So open notion.so and log into your account. Then navigate to the page or the workspace by going to the specific page or workspace where you want to add the guest. Here's a page that I got from the left navigation panel of my screen. Now, in the workspace, you're going to have to open the Share menu. Now, click the Share button located at the top right corner of the page or workspace you want to share. And if you're on the page, this button will be directly visible. All right, so for workspaces, it may be accessible through workspace settings. So right here for this page, go ahead and click on the Share menu. In the Share menu, go ahead and click on the Invite field, which is here. Now, enter the email addresses of the guest you want to add and make sure the email addresses are associated with your Notion account. So I'm adding this person. Okay, so you can just go ahead and keep on adding more if you want to. The next thing to do is to set permissions for your guest. Now, after entering the email addresses, set the appropriate permissions for each guest. You can choose from this drop-down menu here. First is the full access. Guest, this means the guest can edit, share, and manage the page. The next is can edit, meaning guests can edit content but cannot share or manage permissions. The next is can comment, meaning guests can only leave comments and cannot edit the content. And the next is can view, meaning guests can only view the content and cannot make any changes or comments. Now, once you have managed your permissions, go ahead and click on the invite button. So click the invite button to send the invitation to the guest. They will receive an email with a link to the page or workspace that you shared. Now, you can manage the guest access, which is pretty much optional. To manage or adjust guest access later, you can go ahead and click on the Share button again and find the guest name in the list. Now, you can update their permissions or remove their access if needed by clicking the corresponding options next to their name. You can verify that the guests have accepted the invitation and are listed under the Share button. Their access level and status will be shown there. And that's it. You've successfully added guests to a page or a workspace in Notion. Now, you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.